And today, with the pasta dough that we made earlier, we are going to be making chiboreki, and this is how we make it. And to make the filling, what we're going to use today is a mixture of pork and chicken, some salt, pepper, a couple of spices that we like, but you can use whichever spices you like, and we're going to use half an onion. So just to speed things up, we'll go on to fast and zap it through.
Oh yeah.
So, this is what we're going to do with our pasta dough. We're going to make some chiboreki.
Chiboreki.
We've got our mix of meat, and this is almost like a pasty, I suppose. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll out the dough, and we're going to roll it out nice and thin, and we're going to put a plate, whatever size chiboreki you want, because you can make bigger or smaller, cut round so you've got a nice circle, put your filling in, fold it in half, press it down, and we're done. Nice and easy. So let's show you how. So here are our chiboreki that we've made, very, very nice, and now they're ready to be fried in a shallow fryer, and we'll fry some up and we'll show you what they come out like. Absolutely beautiful. So to cook up our chiboreki, which we made, we're going to need a frying pan and just a nice amount of oil in the bottom there, warmed up nicely, and we are going to get them, a bit less, we're just going to place them there, and I have one each. So we're just going to cook up 3. Very nice. There we go. We're just going to leave those in there now to cook through. So just check them every now and again. That's lovely. And once they actually turn brown like that and go a little bit firm, just give them a lift and flick them over and leave them again. So, as I've always said, the best thing about cooking is when you can eat it. And I like mine very nice, with some barbecue sauce. And what do you like yours with?
Sultana.
Beautiful. Cooking.